In Spanish, there are two ways to say to be. There is the verb ser and the verb estar. Generally, ser is used for permanent attributes, and estar is used for temporary attributes. We'll learn more instances of when you use each one later on, but for now, we'll start with permanent attributes. Permanent attributes are those that describe people or things for more than a few days at a time. These would be attributes like small, tall, rich, slow, interesting, or old. As I mentioned, the verb ser, or to be, is used when describing permanent attributes. Let's learn the conjugations of ser. I am. Yo soy. You informal are. You'd use this when you're on a first-name basis with someone. Juana. Tú eres. He is. Él es. She is. Ella es. You informal are. Dr. Garcia. Usted es. Notice that usted can be spelled U-S-T-E-D or U-D period as an abbreviation. They both mean usted. You would use usted instead of tú when you would use a title with someone like Dr. Garcia instead of Juana. We are. Nosotros somos. Y'all are. This one is used only in Spain. Vosotros sois. We won't practice this since it's used only in Spain, but wanted you to know it here. They masculine are. Ellos son. They feminine are. Ellas son. All of you are. Ustedes son. The pronouns in Spanish are commonly left off in everyday speech. They are mainly used for emphasis, so we'll leave them off here. Now we'll take a minute to learn 12 permanent attributes. If the person or object you're talking about is masculine or male, the attribute will end in an O. If the person or object is feminine or a female, the attribute needs to end in an A. If there's more than one person, you also add an S on the end. Let me show you how that works. We'll practice a few together. I am tall. Soy alto. Now, assuming that I am a male, it'd be soy alto. If a female said it, she would say soy alta. Juana, you are short. Remember, since you're on a first-name basis with Juana, you're going to use tú. Juana, tú eres bajita. He is slow. Es lento. She is fast. Es rápida. Señora Garcia, you are pretty. Es bonita. We are ugly. Somos feos. This is talking about a group of males. Somos feos. It ends with the OS in feos. They feminine are good. Son buenas. They masculine are bad. Son malos. All of you feminine are skinny. Son delgadas. I am fat. Soy gordo. Please note that calling someone fat in Spanish is not very offensive like it is in English. However, I would still avoid calling someone fat. The next few lessons use brain science and gradually get a little harder. Feel free to repeat each one as much as you'd like until you're satisfied with your progress.